Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 3. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 51. Now for row 1, on the 5th chain from the hook I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip 2 and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, then through this next treble crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now right here through this treble crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain, I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now right here through the center, through the treble crochet chain, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain, I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this treble crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Now, through this last 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 treble crochet. So this completes row 2. So for the pattern, we repeat row 2. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.